मगर इन हालात को अपनी मुस्कुराहट मत उड़ाने दो, बस इत्मीनान से आगे बढ़ते जाओ। यही सोच लेकर आई थी मैं इस घर में कि कभी हिम्मत नहीं हारनी मैंने, चाहे जैसे भी हालात हो ज़रूर मुकाबला करना है। और मेरी ज़िंदगी ने अब नया रुख ले ही लिया है, तो अब वक्त आ गया है कि इस घर को इजाज़त दी जाए। इस घर से मेरी बहुत प्यारी यादें जुड़ी हैं। इस घर में मैंने बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है और बहुत कुछ लर्न भी। और अब ये घर मैं कर रही हूँ किसी और के हवाले। Arya, let's go to the house. Let's go, Janu. This is our house that we are renting. Beautiful. तो चले बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़कर इस घर में एंटर होते हैं। पहले ही बताती चलूँ, दिस इज़ नॉट माई हाउस, आई एम नॉट द ओनर हियर। मैं सिर्फ ये रेंट कर रही हूँ घर, इंशाल्लाह। एंड देन जैक विल ऑल्सो जॉइन अस इंशाल्लाह आफ्टर द निकाह। एंड ऑफ कोर्स घर एंटर होते ही सबसे पहला जो मैं काम करती हूँ, हमेशा मैं ब्लाइंड्स ऑफ करती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है रोशन घर। अंधेरा में मुझे थोड़ी सी घुटन सी फील होती है। एंड ये ब्लाइंड्स थोड़े काफ़ी वियर्ड से थे, समझने में टाइम लग रहा था मुझे, बट जैसे ही मैंने ब्लाइंड्स को ऊपर किया, घर में काफ़ी रोशनी आ चुकी थी एंड द हाउस वाज गिविंग दैट वार्मथ। This is our lounge, this is our dining area, this is our kitchen. Wow, there are keys here. Everything, so many keys. This is the... Thank God I got the dishwasher. Finally. मुझे वाकई इतनी खुशी हो रही है किचन में इतनी ज़्यादा स्पेस देखकर। यू गाइस कैन टेल, मैं एक कैबिनेट खोल के देख रही थी, क्योंकि जो मेरा स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट था उसमें इतनी ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं थी। बट यू गाइस कैन टेल माई एक्साइटमेंट हियर। आई एम रियली हैप्पी एंड ऑफ कोर्स जैग और मेरा घर मिक्स होगा तो वी विल हैव अ लॉट मोर स्टफ। सो या, दिस इज़ परफेक्ट राइट नाउ। Our entry. This is where I'm gonna put my console. And come on, I'm gonna show you. This is our master room. Woohoo! Finally, ढेर सारी अलमारियां। अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि अलमारियां मिल गई, बहुत बड़ी अलमारी। Oh my God, this is amazing. It's an old house, but it's nice, you know. And this is the toilet. The toilet is, it's an old house, guys. Let me tell you. But it's okay. 1-2 साल इधर रहूंगी, उसके बाद मैं अपना घर खरीदूंगी।
I love very old.
This is the toilet. Okay, the toilet is not that bad. We have a shower. We have a tub area.
Can I go in it right now?
Not right now. You're in your shoes. Okay, so this is a linen closet, which I really needed for my lasagna, takiye, kambal, Pakistani kambal. Yes, this is for blankets.
My room.
This is Arya's room, Hannah. Yeah, this has an air con of its own. That is amazing. A huge wardrobe, and look, you have height. 6 years. Arya is already 6 years. She's 7. So Arya, you can put your bags here.
I know.
आजा आर्या इधर। और यहाँ पे, अच्छा यहाँ से लाइट ऑन होती है।
Basically the guest room.
Yeah, it's a guest room.
So just in case if somebody comes over.
And it has a huge almari too, which I'm really happy. Oh, this one has a mirror. But nice. ये सब इस कमरे में भी AC है, heater है।
100% not my
I think
room.
इनकी duct heating है. They have a duct heating. So they have one smoke alarm here, a lot of smoke alarms. The other one, यहाँ पे ये वाले कीड़े क्यों? ये कीड़े हैं क्या है? There's another smoke alarm. Another smoke alarm there.
Yeah, so the whole family.
And then another smoke alarm here. And then another one in the kitchen, or no? No. Okay, let me show you guys the laundry. This is where my washing machine is gonna come, and I'll put some like almari here. Arya is very excited because back has a tree house. बहुत cute backyard है, which is only right. And इसमें यहाँ पे garage होता है मेरा. And this is the backyard.
Why is it cold?
Yeah, it's gonna get chilly. Oh wow, this is amazing.
This is a glass room.
Yeah, Arya will have to fumigate this for you guys, baby.
Yeah, because they're gonna be really.
Yeah, there might be spiders here.
Bye. I'm getting out of here.
But I'll clean it up. Aista aista I'm bringing my stuff from the old house because I have 1 week overlap for this house. And thanks to Jack for helping me out with this move. You guys won't believe, without him this was not possible at all. Of course घर को सेट करने में टाइम लगता है, तो अभी बस यही हालात हैं इस घर के. इंशाल्लाह आहिस्ता आहिस्ता I'm hoping कि ये घर भी बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगा and this house will become a home. और जितनी खुशी मुझे इस अलमारी की है, you guys cannot believe. इस घर में हर कमरे में इतनी ही बड़ी अलमारी है and finally I'm so happy that I get to put all my clothes, shoes, bags and everything in one closet. I do not need to order any more closet for this house. I'm really happy. अच्छा, अब इन चेयर्स को खोलते हैं और इनकी एक स्टोरी बताती हूँ. ये चेयर्स मैंने फाइनली 1 महीने के सोचने के बाद ऑर्डर की. मुझे ब्लैक एंड वाइट वाला इनका प्रिंट चाहिए था, विच वॉज द खाकी प्रिंट. But it was all sold out everywhere, online and in all the stores. So I went to one of the stores and I asked them, do you guys have any chairs left? They said we have 2 chairs left, brand new, packed in indigo blue. पहले तो मेरा इस कलर पे कोई दिल नहीं आ रहा था, but then I said, you know, I really like the chair design. So then I thought, you know, like I should just buy them. I got these chairs from Provincial Living. Or yeah, this is in velvet indigo blue. It's beautiful, but I really wish that I had gotten the black and white. But chale, ab isse guzara kar lete hain. And not just the chairs, but I also ordered myself a new television which we needed because jo chota wala TV tha wo hamare guest room mein jayega. So yeah, finally we have a new TV. हम couch देखने आए हैं और ये मैडम हर couch पे बैठ के देख रही है ना आर्या? She's testing it out. Oh my god. Oh ये अच्छा है. Off the couches. कहाँ जा रही हो? आओ, मजा आया? That's so nice. That will be hard, Janu. Hi guys. Aya, where are we?
What does that look like?
We are at our wedding venue location and we are here for the food tasting. Misters? Hello. Hi. We're doing our food venue tasting and this is the chaat papdi that they have given it to us. Arya तो यहाँ पे dancing कर रही है. Are you excited about the wedding?
No.
Oh my god! Are you excited about the wedding? Yes, he's very excited. But yeah, we're just having a food क्या कहते हैं इसको, food tasting. ये food tasting and so far हमें कुछ भी नहीं पसंद आया, but चल रहा है ना. What did Arya like only? Drink?
Nothing.
And this is, I'll show you, this is not our hall, but this is just a glimpse of it. I'll just show you guys. That's the dessert. आपने क्या खाना?
I don't know. Sticky balls.
Yeah, Arya, what is this? It's alright, I'll just wipe it out. What is this? Sticky ball? Yeah, just wipe it out. What are we doing?
Bubbles.
And this weekend pe Jack brought Jenny and came over to help me set up the house and spend some time. Jack also brought all his stuff from his house that needs to go into my house because we are merging 2 of the houses. And inshallah then Jack will move in with me after the nikah inshallah. But घर तो हम set कर सकते हैं पहले, तो this was the plan. But बच्चों के साथ, you know, it's impossible because we wanted to spend more time with them. So yeah. क्या करी थी करे?
I was rapping about you.
Rap about me.
You. No, you rap. No, you.
I wanted to check TK Maxx.
See, it's funny.
ये बंदा थक गया है ड्राइविंग कर करके, इसको भूख लगी है. Can you just quickly have a look कि यहाँ पे कोई लैम्प्स हैं या नहीं? See, that's all I want to see.
Wait, oh yeah.
Just be careful.
Don't talk to me. Wait, again.
Jaggy, Rashes खाना?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Rashes, मैंने सिडनी में खाया था and I loved it.
Do anything you want when you're being clean the table.
ये दोनों ना, इनको जब बच्चों को खाना नहीं मिलता ना तो वो पागल हो जाते हैं. हमारे बच्चे, kids eat free on Sundays.
It's Sunday today. Let's go. It's Sunday. It's Sunday.
You guys get to eat free.
To bring it for you.
जैक भूख लगी है?
हाँ, very much.
जैक को सर्विसेज अच्छी नहीं लग रही ना?
नहीं लगी.
क्योंकि they're not talking to us, they're not even taking order.
We have coloring book and they're not even giving us color.
तो अब क्या करें? मामा का लिप ग्लॉस से कलर करें?
No.
Look, you girls got
Look at these.
What is it? Is it rubber?
In like 2 seconds we got that. Yeah. That's easy. You just twist the top. Bro. This is how we're supposed to drink.
How is it?
I'm sorry. Ew. Taste it. It's not even apple juice.
Apple.
Okay.
Apple juice. Green apple juice.
This is pure apple juice. It's pure apple juice. Taste it. It's pure. Pure.
पानी डाल के दे. चलो पियो अपनी ड्रिंक्स अब. It's fine.
Mine's already.
What did you guys order? Jenny,
Mine's already half finished.
tell me what did you order?
Asking all of you to eat
Okay, tell me what did you order?
fish and chips.
And Arya, what about you?
What does it look like? Margarita pizza.
What about Jack?
Chicken steak.
What about me?
Some kind of pasta.
Some kind of pasta? That's cool. इस बंदे को ना आज बड़ा गुस्सा आ रहा था क्योंकि हमें काउच नहीं मिल रहा.
Just get one anything.
Anything? ऐसे कैसे anything ले लूं?
Yeah.
Get this as a couch.
ले लो काउच ले लो. आ गया काउच.
How do you even close this?
जाएगा आप गुस्सा होते हैं? गुस्सा होते हैं आप?
हाँ.
बैठ के दिखाएं. जैक को गुस्सा नहीं आता, वो थक गए हैं. बस वो कहते हैं कोई भी उठा लो. मैंने कहा यार ऐसे नहीं उठा सकती क्योंकि द थिंग इज हमें चाहिए 3.5 लीटर वाला और 3.5 में जो हम चूज कर रहे हैं वो लोग कह रहे हैं अवेलेबल नहीं है. 3 महीनों के बाद डिलीवरी है. तो अब हमें कुछ ऑनलाइन करना पड़ेगा. या तो प्राइस पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करो या तो फिर डिजाइन पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज. यू ओनली हैव 2 ऑप्शंस.
Yes.
किस पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना?
Design.
डिजाइन. प्राइस पे नहीं करना. कंजूस मक्खी चूस.
हाँ.
कितना कंजूस.
Yeah, I mean just get anyone. Right?
Yeah, that's fine. Arya,
It's a substitute.
जो अच्छी डिश हुई वो मेरी.
Okay, I'll order another one.
बच्चों ने तो वैसे फ्री खाया है पर हमने पे तो एडल्ट्स का किया ना. फैमिली का ही किया. $60 का बिल आया तो वो हमने सब उतना ही पे किया ना.
Yeah. So it's okay.
या बच्चा लो.
If it doesn't turn out nice, I'll buy another one.
But I think मैंने राशि सिडनी में खाया था. It wasn't that bad. It was nice.
I'll trust you.
Yours is way better.
It was good for my
Actually, no.
taste.
I like mine.
I'm not sure about your taste.
Good, good.
That's mine. I like mine.
Of course.
Thank you.
What did Jenny order? Arya, margarita pizza. Jenny can have it too. That's my pasta. And where is our steak?
They forgot.
सबसे आखिरी में इसी का Jack खाया.
I'm going to take your food.
Okay, have it. Start eating now.
No forget.
They all got their food and they're still like. Good hai? Bad hai?
Nice.
How's that?
Good.
I told you. अच्छा ना जरा. How's that?
Nice, very nice.
Nice.
Yummy.
Will you come back here again?
Yes.
Will the kids come back here again?
Every day.
Every day? I'm not bringing you. Every day because I don't have money for that. But yeah, good food है ना? Not bad है ना?
Very nice.
जैक ने ये भी खाया, ये भी खाया
I ate almost all of
और ये भी खाया है ना जेनी? No. आर्या पान खाया ना सब कुछ? Yes?
He ate both of these plates.
यासी अब काउच लेने चले?
No.
Yes.
अच्छा मजे की बात है. I was expecting the girls will not enjoy couch surfing.
They have jumped on every
They've
couch.
jumped on every couch
In Melbourne.
and they've understood which ones are softer, which ones are firmer, है ना? Yeah. Dessert का है? जगह है पेट में?
Ice cream can go in between the food.
Okay.
हाँ.
फिर Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where's the dessert? Oh, there's the dessert ना. Can we please try? अच्छा यहाँ पे ना refill बहुत बड़ा ग्लास है. ये देखो आर्या के कितना बड़ा ग्लास है. हमने एक ही ग्लास पूरी फैमिली ने पिया है. I mean 2 ग्लासेस ऐसे. That. Please. No, that one.
This one?
Mom,
Okay.
chocolate ganache and vanilla ice cream. Yes,
Ganache?
that one. ये वो बच्चे हैं जो वीडियो भी नहीं बनाते. जानू छोटे वाले स्पून लेकर आ. Why you don't make me let me pick with you?
Whatever.
हटे. Oh my God!
Chicken. Do you know what chicken is?
That is
Yo.
amazing.
You had a tent before. Okay, fine. One. My sister.
OMG. Try it, try it.
No, it's
Try. Jack!
Yeah.
मतलब पहले 2 dishes, 3 dishes खाना, फिर dessert. You remember आपकी शादी हो रही है ना?
कौन सी गाड़ी?
कौन सी शादी? आपकी शादी करीब है. आपको weight lose करना चाहिए. लोग क्या कहेंगे? दूल्हा कितना मोटा है?
It's okay once in a while.
Once in a while.
Tomorrow भी.
Oh my God! Look how he ate it.
Yum yum.
अच्छा था? ठीक था. But will you come back again?
Guys, definitely come back here again.
But हम थोड़ी different dishes try करेंगे.
हाँ, service is a little bit slow, but the food was great.
Yeah, चलो.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What? Pita?
Girls are having fun.
Yeah, mom showed us.
चले? घर?
Pita.
Should we go back home now? They're busy doing their own thing. Show me your shirts. Jenny, what does your shirt say? Miss Mr. Jenny. And do the pose of the unicorn. And what does Arya's do? It's never luck or fate. It's Allah's perfect plan, as Allah is the best of planners. Thank you for being part of our cute family and our special moments. यूं ही हम अपनी खुशियाँ आपसे शेयर करते रहेंगे. See you all soon with another vlog, another time. Bye guys!